Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete clipboard history in WhatsApp account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are free new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp account. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp account right here. I'm going to simply select this particular contact. Then having selected a contact, next thing you need to do is to click on this icon. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on this keyboard. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on this icon. Take you right here. Then next thing you need to do is to click on your clipboard. Then you have it right here. Now for you to delete any of the clipboard history, you can simply scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see all your clipboard history. So for you to delete any one of them, what you need to do is to simply click on this particular trash bin right here. So simply click on that. Are you sure you want to delete this content? Simply hit on delete, and it's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.